razors.
Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today is the day of Corey's electric bike ride out. So we got the Talaria charging up. We're just gonna ride the Talaria, probably. The Razor, in case we need it, is at like 50%, but we're gonna hit the road. So let's do it.
All right guys, I am just using the GoPro's internal audio today, so it's probably going to sound like ass. I apologize for that, but my GoPro, either the mic works or there's just no sound at all, so I don't want to risk having no sound at all. So I'm just going to give you kind of the meh audio. But again, today is One Way Corey's electric bike ride out. He's had ride outs all weekend. He had pedal bikes Friday and Saturday. Today is e-bike. All right, y'all, pulling up the Thames where we're gonna meet. What's up, dude? What's up, man? All right, guys, we are outside. I don't know where we're gonna ride, but we're gonna ride. Stop. All right, and we're out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it wasn't great. Yeah, we're good. That's not gonna make the video. No, that's not gonna make the video. Oh, I'm great, dude. That's why you get the direct stem mount right there. Yeah, I'm fine.
Right in the grass.
I was due for a fall. I haven't fallen in a while. We got a gas bike in the pack now. All right, well, we got our fall out of the way. That was light, it wasn't bad. Let's go, the Razors. Killing it. You gotta weld that freewheel, man. I know. Both of you do, I can hear it clacking. Oh, we got the Ninox now. We love this. All the bikes outside wheeling. I think Ryan's doing his first wheelie. Got a pretty big pack, honestly. Come on, come on. Honda Civic, dude. Oh yeah, seat standers here. I see the boy.
Launch sequence deactivated.
from eating his shit into the curb earlier, but you know. Now we're getting the swerve. We got DTG Productions out. Yes, sir. Look at that chain slapping about. All right, I'll try. Don't let anyone run into me. I'm not close. I know. I can tell.
Failure to launch.
I gotta lean all the way back. All right, guys, because Corey loves trails so much, I'm gonna lead the group to, well, me and Mike are gonna lead the group to the trails right here at Graffiti Pier. All right, we're gonna bring everyone up the parking garage. I love wheeling up hills. All right, watch. I'll pick my feet up. Security didn't even say anything to us. There they go. Everyone's doing it now. These fuckers have no clue I'm taking them to the trails right now. This guy's stealing another bike with a bike? What the hell? We're taking them to the Graffiti Pier. All right. Are they coming? Guys, they didn't want to come on the trail. He's on the trail. Light work. You hit the jump? Did you hit the jump? Yeah. All right, let's run it back. Let's go the other way. Oh, my bad. Oh.
Mission failure.
Oh.
Oh my God.
No, that shit, when you go down there, that shit's
Your habitat is your house. Go back home.
You need a little more speed. You got the suspension for it, dude.
Oh, now you got excuses trail,
Yeah,
man.
dude, that's right.
Oh.
That's exactly right, huh? Dude, it's like you have to turn so quick. All right, we're heading out of the trails now. That path, yeah, it's cool. Here comes the train! We're trapped! Dude, we're trapped! Ah, these suck to ride on. I'm so hilarious. I just made them all go on these trails. Yay! He did the trails! Woo! Woo! shit. Oh shit. Alright y'all, we are heading back to the art museum now. I think I'm gonna call the video here. It was a very fun ride. Very good time. But don't forget to like and comment and subscribe as always. Plenty of content to come. I'll catch you next time though. Peace.